pharmacy in Kansas City.
Take a step.
Mariah survives the life flight
Come
but
on.
dies that night.
Take a step. There you go. Take another one. Take another one.
I was crying and I just told her like that.
Kansas City's medical examiner conducts an autopsy, but can determine no official cause of death. He declines to classify it as an accident, noting that the babysitter in this case had at least one other child die in her care.
Yes.